Ever feel like no matter how much you earn, your money just disappears? You promised to save this month, but somehow you're back to square one by the 20th. Well, here's the truth. Saving money isn't about being stingy. It's about being strategic. And today, I'll show you 7 powerful, science-backed ways to save money that actually work, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. No skipping lattes. No, just budget better nonsense. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, the pause before you pay rule. Impulse spending is the silent killer of savings. So here's a trick I call the 24-hour rule, but with a twist. Whenever you want to buy something that's not essential, add it to a think later list. Then, wait 24 hours before deciding. But here's the twist. During that waiting time, ask yourself one simple question. If this item doubled in price tomorrow, would I still buy it? If your answer is no, you didn't really need it. Why it works? It tricks your brain into emotional distance, so your logical side takes over. Over a month, this small habit can save you hundreds. Tip number 2, automate your savings. Like a bill. Most people save after spending. The smart ones save before. Set up an automatic transfer from your main account to your savings every time you get paid, even if it's just $50. Because if you treat savings like a bill you have to pay, you'll never forget it. Automation builds wealth quietly, in the background, while you live your life. Tip number 3, the subscription audit. Want a quick dopamine hit and more money in your account? Audit your subscriptions. Write down every monthly charge, Netflix, Spotify, random app trials, and ask, did I use this in the last 30 days? If not, cancel it right now. People who do this regularly save between $40 and $120 a month without changing anything else about their lifestyle. Tip number 4, the 70-20-10 rule. Simplified. Forget complex budgets. Try this instead. Allocate 70% to needs, bills, groceries, rent, 20% to savings or investments, 10% to guilt-free fun. This structure lets you live without deprivation while still growing your financial safety net. The secret is consistency, not perfection. Tip number 5, make money walls visible. 500-600 callers. Money goals work best when they're visible. Stick physical reminders, like your financial goals, on your fridge, mirror, or workspace. Every time you see them, your brain connects daily spending with long-term rewards. Behavioral economists call this goal salience. In simple terms, seeing your goal stops you from forgetting it in the moment. Tip number 6, buy time, not things. Ask yourself, does this purchase give me more time or more life? If not, skip it. People waste so much money buying things that add clutter but no joy. Instead, spend on experiences that align with your values. It reduces lifestyle inflation and increases happiness per dollar. Tip number 7, use the future you mindset. Every dollar you save is a tiny gift to future you. Before buying something, picture your future self saying, thanks for not wasting that money. Now I can travel, invest, or sleep without debt. When saving becomes emotional, it becomes permanent. Because let's face it, logic starts the habit, but emotion keeps it alive. So here's your challenge for you. Pick just one of these habits, maybe the pause before you pay rule, and stick with it for 7 days. You'll be shocked how quickly your savings start to build. Remember, saving money isn't about having less, it's about building more freedom. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, because next video is going to cover something even more interesting for your personal budgeting journey.